Hi everyone, my name is Kemi Ibitoye. I'm an estate planning lawyer from Toronto, Ontario. I have Nick Wichek, an advisor with Sun Life, here with me today, and we're going to be having an interesting conversation. Welcome, Nick.
Thank you very much, Kemi. Thank you for having me on. I appreciate it.
You know what? You actually touched on the next question I was going to ask you, which is what is the difference between mortgage insurance and life insurance? I mean, and how do they, is there any overlay? Like, do they complement each other? And what's the, overall difference? Because we also practice real estate law. And almost every day when clients are signing the mortgages, renewing or purchasing a new home, we see the mortgage, life insurance, the mortgage insurance forms, which the clients either have to accept or decline. So that comes together with critical illness and or disability, if I'm right, yes. And clients always ask, should we take this? And our simple answer is, do you have life insurance that is well over and above this? And some people say, yeah, we're covered, we have multiple insurances, and they decline that. So can you touch on that very briefly, like mortgage insurance, life insurance, major difference, and how should clients or anyone approach these two products?
Yeah, so mortgage insurance is a really quick and easy add-on to your mortgage when you're signing all the paperwork and everything else. The things that I don't necessarily like about it is the fact that the benefit amount declines. So, what could start off as a $750,000 benefit amount on day one of your mortgage, if you survive all the way to year 25 and you've only got $1,000 left on your mortgage, the benefit amount is now only paying out $1,000.
Wow. I didn't even know that either, Nick. So thank you.
Yeah, and the beneficiary on a mortgage life insurance policy is the bank. So it's not like the money goes to your family and your family can decide whether or not they want to pay off the mortgage. The money goes directly to the bank and nothing goes to the family.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, when you're looking at term life insurance, it's going to be a very similar price point. For the term life insurance policies through Sun Life, they do all their underwriting at time of issue, which means that if anything were to happen to you, there's never a question as to whether or not it'll get paid out. The life insurance company has already done their due diligence. They know that you're insurable. They know that there's no underlying medical issues or anything else. And when you get that contract, you know that it's in force for the next 10 years. If something were to happen to you in the course of those 10 years, your beneficiaries will get the payout. From there, your beneficiaries can decide what they want to do. If it's $1 million payout, they could just take that money and invest it in a non-registered account and have the proceeds of that non-registered account continue to pay off the mortgage monthly as you've been doing. Or they could pay off the mortgage. They could give money to charity. They get to decide what gets done with that money.
Okay? Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. The other benefit is if you do it, because you can do a 25-year term mortgage. So you could, or term insurance. You could actually have it mimic the lifespan of your current mortgage. And whether you die on day one or year 25, your family is still going to get that full value of what you originally started out with. The other pitfall to mortgage insurance is, what do you do every 2, 3, or 5 years? You renew your mortgage.
Correct.
You're going to be renewing that life insurance. You're now 2, 3, or 5 years older. And there's 3 things that cause the cost of insurance to go up. 2 of them you have full control over, or 2 of them you can't control and 1 you can. The first thing is, the older you get, the more expensive insurance is. I always tell people insurance is never going to be as cheap as it is for you today.
Wow.
Second thing is whether you were born male or born female. Historically, females live longer on this earth than males, so they pay a little bit less for life insurance.
I just learned that. Thank you.
And the third one is whether or not you're a smoker. So really, the third one is the only one that you can control to be able to keep your costs low on your life insurance.
Okay, so I'm just going to jump in very quickly, Nick. So thank you so much. So key takeaway from this segment right now is, if you purchase the mortgage insurance, the lender gets paid out. Only the lender, you don't even get a single dime, which a lot of people don't even think about. And even for me, I know it, but it's jumping out to me as you're saying it. It goes only to the lender. But if you actually take out life insurance, depending on how much, policy you take out, your mortgage can get paid out, and there's extra money to invest or do whatever you choose to do. The family will be taken care of.
Yes, that's exactly it. And same goes for the critical illness insurance that's added on to the mortgage insurance and the disability insurance. So with the critical illness insurance, if you do get diagnosed with a critical illness, the only thing that gets paid is the total monthly mortgage bill. It doesn't pay off the whole mortgage.
Oh.
Right. So all of those other over and above any extra medical costs or anything else are not covered. We do offer living benefits as well through critical illness insurance. And our critical illness insurance actually has the ability to have return of premium after as early as 15 years. So it's almost like a little bank account that you're dropping money into every month. If you get sick, then they pay you a large amount out. And it's a full tax-free amount. If you don't get sick, after 15 years, you can cancel the policy, and Sun Life says, "Hey, thank you so much for insuring yourself with us. Here's all of your money back."
Oh, you do get them. You get the money back, the full
with critical illness. Yeah.
Critical. Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, Nick.